Hi class, so now we will discuss the chain rule. And paano nga ba yung process ng chain rule? So, chain rule in derivatives. So, for example, I have find the derivative of 5x plus 3 raised to 4. So, in chain rule, again, ang gagawin natin dyan is yung 4 na exponent, di ba minumultiply natin niya sa coefficient? Since we have coefficient here, for example, invisible 1. So, 1 times 4. So, ibababa lang natin si 4. And then, copy yung nasa parenthesis, which is si 5x plus 3. And then, di ba kay derivative, nagma-minus 1 tayo. So, 4 minus 1 is 3. So, 3 na lang ito. And then, next, find the derivative of yung nasa loob. Kunin yung derivative ng 5x plus 3. So, derivative ng 5x ay 5. Derivative ng 3 ay 0. So, 5x plus 3, ang derivative niya ay 5 na lang. Okay. So, next, ilalagay lang natin sa unahan yung 5. Katabi ng 4. So, magiging 4, and then times 5, and then copy lang yung 5x plus 3 raised to 3. And then, simplify. 4 times 5, we have 20. Then, copy lang natin yung 5x plus 3 raised to 3. So, that is the answer. Okay, so next natin, find the derivative of 2 times the quantity of 3x plus 4 raised to 3. So, first, again, diba, minumultiply natin yung exponent dun sa coefficient. So, 2 times 3 is 6. So, 6. And then, copy yung nasa parenthesis, which is 3x plus 4. So, 3x plus 4. And then, 3 minus 1 is 2. And then, multiply natin sa derivative ng nasa loob. Ang derivative ng 3x plus 4 ay 3 na lang. Because derivative ni 3x ay 3. Derivative ni 4, 0. So, 3 na lang nandito. And then, ilagay lang natin sa unahan, itong 3. So, magiging 6 times 3, and then 3x plus 4 raised to 2. Simplify, 6 times 3 is 18. Times, copy lang, yung 3x plus 4 raised to 2. So, ganyan lang kay chain rule of algebraic function. So, next example tayo. Okay, so next example natin, find the derivative of 3 times 2x squared plus 4x plus 3 raised to 5. So, again, minumultiply natin yan, 5 times 3, which is 15. And then, copy lang natin yung nasa parenthesis. So, parenthesis, copy lang natin yan. We have 2x squared plus 4x plus 3. Raised to, so 5 minus 1 is 4. And then, multiply natin sa derivative nung nasa parenthesis. So, times, we use parenthesis or dot. So, 2x squared, derivative ay 4. 4x. Again, the derivative of 2x squared is 4x. Derivative ni 4x ay 4. So, plus 4. Derivative naman ni 3 ay 0. So, 4x plus 4 na lang yung derivative. And then, simplify. Ilalagay lang natin to sa unahan after ni 15. So, 15 times 4x plus 4 times 2x squared plus 4x plus 3 raised to 4. And then, simplify. Masisimplify pa kasi 4x plus 4, pareho silang may common. So, ang common sa kanila ay 4. Pareho silang may 4. So, pwede nating ilabas yan. Saka kung ano man ilalabas nating number, i-multiply yan kay 15. So, sulat muna natin, 15 times, so, nag-dot ako, multiplication. Ang common kay 4x and 4 ay 4. So, ilabas natin yung 4. And then, so, 4x divided by 4, x na lang. Ito naman, 4 divided by 4 ay 1 na lang. So, plus 1. So, ayan. And then, copy lang natin to. So, we have 2x squared plus 4x plus 3 raised to 4. And then, simplify. Ayan, 15 times 4, we have 60. 60, x plus 1 And then, copy lang to. 2x squared plus 4x plus 3 raised to 4. So, that is the final answer. So, next example natin find the derivative of 5x squared plus 3x raised to 7. So, again, walang coefficient dito, so may invisible yan na 1. So, ang mangyayari dyan, si 7, ibababa lang natin dito. So, 7, kasi nga, 1 times 7, yan, may invisible yan lagi na 1 kapag walang coefficient dyan. Hindi kagaya nito. So, 3 times 5, kaya 15. Ito naman, 7 times 1, kaya 7. Or in short, ibaba lang si 7. And then, copy 5x squared plus 3x. So, 5x squared plus 3x. Copy lang yan. Raised to 7 minus 1, 6 na lang yan. Times, derivative nung nasa loob, which is 5x squared plus 3x. Derivative ng 5x squared is 10x. Derivative ng 3x ay 3. So, plus 3. So, ang final answer, class, lalagay lang natin to sa unahan bago mag 7. So, 7 and then 5x squared, unahin natin si 10x plus 3. So, ulitin ko dito. So, magiging final answer natin dyan is 7 and then, isunod natin to, si 10x plus 3. 10x plus 3, tapos, iuhuli lang lagi natin yung may mataas na exponent. Times 5x squared plus 3x raised to 6. So, ito na pwedeng sagot na to. This is the final answer. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-distribute pa si 7. Or pwede rin naman, pero ito okay na to. Kanina, sinimplify natin kasi 4x saka 4, parehong may common na 4. Dito, wala namang common kay 10x and 3. Kasi, hindi sila pwedeng i-divide by 2. Pareho. Kasi, hindi sakto si 3. Hindi na naman pwedeng by 3. Kasi, 10 to. Ito ay odd, ito ay even. So, goods na yan. Ayan na yung sagot. So, that is the chain rule for algebraic. So, next naman, try naman natin apply ng mga trigonometric function. Okay, so another example, again, naka-chain rule pa rin tayo, pero lagyan na natin ng mga trigonometric function. So, find the derivative of sine x raised to 3. So, again, ganun lang din, ginagawa natin dyan, kasi naka-parenthesis, naka-raise sa 3. Baba lang natin si 3, and then copy yung ating nasa parenthesis, which is sine x, and then, multiply sa derivative ni sin x. 3, and then, ito yan si 3 binaba si 3, sin x, copy, tapos, yung exponent pala, 3 minus 1 is 2. So, squared yan. And then, times sa derivative nung nasa loob. Derivative ni sin x ay cosine x. So, cosine x. So, ang final answer natin, pwede natin ilagay na 3 cosine x tapos sine x raised to 2. Or pwede rin namang 3 cosine x tapos sine squared x. Pwede rin namang ganun. Or pwede rin namang ganyan na lang. Para katulad ng mga nauna. Okay, so another example. Kapag ganyan yung itsura, paano naman kung ganito? Find the derivative of sine 6x. Pagka ganyan naman ang itsura. Applyan pa rin yan ng chain rule, pero etong 6x is angle yan ni sine. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is, kukunin natin yung derivative ni sine, which is cosine. So, lagyan natin cosine, and then copy yung angle, which is 6x, times, multiply natin sa derivative ng angle, which is 6. So, naka-multiply doon. Next natin, hindi natin i-multiply si 6 kay 6x. Kasi angle yan ni cosine. So, ito, ilalagay lang natin sa unahan. So, the final answer is 6 cosine 6x. So, ganyan. So, magiging ganyan lang yung final answer. So, next example natin, for example, I have sine 4x cubed. So, again, ganun lang gagawin ulit. Find the derivative of sine, which is cosine. So, the derivative of sine is cosine And then, copy lang yung angle, which is si 4x cubed. Cosine 4x cubed. And then, multiply natin sa derivative ni 4x cubed. Ang derivative ng 4x cubed is 12x squared. Diba, derivative ni 4x cubed ay 12x squared. And then, nilagay lang natin to sa unahan. So, the final answer is 12x squared times cosine 4x cubed. So, ayan ang final answer. So, ganyan siya. Okay, so how about cosine 3x? So, find the derivative of cosine 3x. So, again, what is the derivative of cosine? Negative sign. So, negative sign, and then copy natin yung angle, which is 3x. Multiply sa derivative ng angle, which is si 3x. So, ang derivative ni 3x ay 3. So, times 3. So, again, the answer is, since may negative dito, unahin nyo muna si negative bago si 3. So, the answer is negative 3 sine 3x. So, kapag laging may negative class, lagi nyo unahin yung sign bago yung number. So, negative 3 sine 3x. Okay, so next natin, find the derivative of cosine 2 minus 3x. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, again, the derivative of cosine is negative sign. And then, copy 2 minus 3x. Copy lang yung angle. And then, multiply sa derivative ng angle. Ang derivative ng 2 ay 0, ng negative 3x ay negative 3. So, times negative 3. And then, simplify. Ilalagay lang natin to sa unahan. Since negative 3, tapos may negative sa harap, so, negative times negative is positive. So, positive 3. And then, sine 2 minus 3x. So, this is the answer. Again, nasa na yung negative? Kasi negative times negative is equal to positive. So, positive 3. Sine 2 minus 3x. So, last example for the... Ganun lang, class. Kahit anong trigonometric function pa yung gamitin. Basta kabisado nyo lang yung derivatives nila, makakapagsagot naman. Next is find the derivative of secant 4x. So, for example, I have secant 4x. So, find the derivative. Again, ang derivative ni secant x ay secant x tangent x. So, magiging secant 4x tangent 4x times the derivative of 4x, yung angle natin. Ang derivative ng 4x ay 4. So, again, ilalagay mo lang to sa unahan. Tapos, copy na lang yan. So, the final answer is 4 secant 4x tangent 4x. So, this is the answer for the chain rule of trigonometric function kung apply natin yung mga trigonometric. So, next natin, last example is paano naman kapag mga exponential. Okay, so naka-chain rule pa rin tayo pero mga exponential example naman. For example, ln of 4x. Find the derivative. So, alam naman natin, di ba, ang derivative ng ln of x, di ba, ang derivative ng ln of x ay 1 over x. So, now, the derivative of ln of 4x is 1 over 4x times yung derivative ng angle, which is 4x. Ang derivative ng 4x ay 4. So, multiply natin to sa derivative niya, which is 4. So, final answer, ilagay lang natin to sa unahan kasi 4 times 1 is 4. Copy yung denominator, which is 4x. So, 4 over 4x equals, so, cancel yung 4, tanggal yung 4, kasi 4 divided by 4 ay 1. So, 4 tanggal, ang natira dyan ay 1. Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng walang matira dyan. So, may invisible 1 yan. Ang natira sa baba, since nawala si 4, ang natira ay x. So, the final answer is 1 over x. Okay. So, how about ln of 3x squared? For example, find the derivative of ln of 3x squared. So, again, magiging 1 over 3x squared. Ganun kapag kay ln. Times derivative ng angle na 3x squared, which is 6x. And then, simplify. Lagay lang natin yan sa unahan. We have 1 times 6x. 6x over, ang baba ay 3x squared. Simplify. 6 divided by 3 ay 2. So, lalagay natin sa taas. Bakit? Kasi, mas mataas si 6, which is nasa numerator. 6 divided by 3 ay 2. Okay, so, 2, and then cancel yung isang x dito, cancel din yung isang x dito. It means wala ng x yung sa taas, sa baba may natira pang isang x. Bakit? X squared yan. So, the final answer is 2 over x. So, bakit nawala po yung 3 dito? Again, 6 divided by 3 ay 2. Tanggal yung isang x, cancel. Tanggal yung isang x, cancel. May natirang isang x sa baba. So, 2 over x. Next is find the derivative of ln of cosine x. So, again, the derivative of ln cosine x is equal to 1 over cosine x times yung derivative ng angle which is si cosine x. Kasi ln of cosine x yun eh. Karang ganyan ang question dyan. So, ang derivative ni cosine x ay negative sine x. So, the answer is negative sine x over, copy lang yung nasa baba, which is cosine x. Again, negative sine x times 1, negative sine x. Over, copy lang yung sa baba, which is cosine x. So, that is the answer. Or, equivalent niya sa negative tangent x. Kasi kung babalikan natin yung pre-calculus natin, di ba, yung ratio identity natin, tangent x is equal to sine over cosine. So, okay, so last example natin, paano naman kapag yung naka-radicals. So, find the derivative of square root of x squared plus 4. So, unang gagawin natin dyan, i-transform muna natin yan into rational exponent. So, si x squared, si square root of x squared plus 4, equivalent yan kay x squared plus 4 raised to 1/2. Kasi di ba kapag square root, 1/2. Kapag cube root, 1/3. Kapag fourth root, 1/4. Okay, so, again, find the derivative. Saka kunin natin yung derivative. Find the derivative of x squared plus 4 raised to 1/2. So, ngayon apply na natin dyan, class, is yung kagaya nung nauna, yung sa rational, sa algebraic function. So, 1/2, ilalagay lang natin yan sa unahan. So, 1/2, and then copy yung nasa parenthesis, which is x squared plus 4. And then, 1/2, di ba nagma-minus 1 tayo? So, 1/2 minus 1. Multiply sa derivative ng nasa loob, x squared, derivative niya ay 2x. Derivative ng 4 ay 0. So, 2x na lang. So, next, simplify natin to. So, copy lang natin to, 1/2, and then x squared plus 4. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2, di ba? Negative 1/2 times 2x. And then, kapag may negative exponent tayo, di ba? So, kapag may negative exponent tayo, di ba kapag may negative exponent, binababa natin yan. Ito, para maging positive. So, therefore, ibababa natin tong buong to, magiging katabi yan ni 2. Ang magiging katabi nito, 1, 2x. So, 1 times 2x. So, ang natira sa taas ay 2x. Again, bakit 2x? 1 times 2x. And then, mayroong 2 sa baba. Tapos, di ba, ibababa natin to, since negative exponent kasi. So, magiging x squared plus 4 raised to positive 1/2 na. Okay, and then, cancel yung 2. Ayan o, 2 sa taas, 2 sa baba. So, cancel. Cancel. Ang natira sa taas ay x over, ito na lang, x squared plus 4 raised to 1/2. So, yan na yung sagot. So, ganun siya kapag may radical. Basta una yung gawin nyo munang rational exponent para mas madali nyo makuha yung derivative. So, that's all for the chain rule. I hope nakuha naman siya at makapagsagot sa quizzes, assignments, or ano pa man kailangan nyo sagutan. So, thank you so much. Goodbye!